Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a bunch of Lautie Chezz pieces here on the table with me. For a quick overview, I just want to show you guys how a full Lautie Chezz collection solid is gonna look, because here we have all the pieces from the cupro-nickel copper material combo, because you also have the stainless steel and brass material combo, which means when you buy one piece, for example like the pawn, you are gonna get the two material combo. So the piece is gonna have, for example, like the ball at the top, that's gonna be copper, and then the stem is gonna be cupro-nickel like in this one, and then this part is gonna be copper like this one alternated, and the bottom one is gonna be cupro. So pretty much the ABAB pattern is going to be replicated in all the pieces. So if you want to realize the solid pieces like these two guys, for example, like all these guys, you have to buy two. So you're going to buy the copper cupro-nickel and the cupro-nickel copper. At that point, you're going to be able to switch parts and just disassemble, because these are, of course, they're all disassemblable. So you take this part, you just swap it on the other one, and you're going to be able to reach the solid pieces. So if your goal is to recreate like a chessboard, you're going to need the white and the black pieces, the solid one. That way you're going to be able to create your black and white chessboard. So right over here, you see all the pieces available, and there's 6 pieces, right? So you get the pawn right there. You get the old series. I mean, the first series came out with the pawn, with the rook right over here. Pretty cool. The rook has a double spinner, spins on the top and on the bottom, and then you get the bishop, which as well as only a bottom spinning one. You can hold it. I mean, this is just like a solid piece, all right? So you get the bishop with a beautiful ceramic ball on top. And then that was the first 3 that came out. And then the knight came out. And here you have just a beautiful interpretation of the knight. Pretty complex milling. These spinners are pretty gorgeous, by the way. And of course, then you get the queen and the king. So, which are these 2 pieces right over here. Of course, this is the king. You see the crown going on, and the queen right over there. So these are both double spinners. So which means that you can hold this, and this top part is gonna spin with these pretty beautiful ceramic ball bearings for the queen. Same thing is gonna be valid for the king. So you have the top one, large ceramic ball, and you have the bottom one that is spinning as well. Fantastic machining going on in the central stem. This is one of my favorite Lautie products. It's so good that it's not even funny. So right over here you see the 4 trails, which are made of wood. Lautie Muji collaboration, of course, because Lautie made and Muji designed toys. So you have a way, if you get like 4 trays and 12 pieces, and you just interconnect and exchange the pieces, then you're gonna be able to reach this state, which is the full collection with solid pieces right over here. If you want to reach like a full board set, that's another ballpark. It's gonna be very, very expensive. So just remember that these are fantastic spinners, really well machined, fantastic design. My favorite one of my favorite Lautie pieces, and definitely this is part of my permanent collection. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.